Hello, advertisers. Are you looking for a powerful ad network to promote offers, apps, or websites? In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to start advertising with HilltopAds, step by step, and show you its key features, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's get started. HilltopAds is a global advertising network popular for push ads, pop ads, native ads, and in-page formats. It's widely used by affiliate marketers, media buyers, and brands because of its low entry cost, worldwide traffic, and fast approvals. HilltopAds supports a variety of high-performing niches. As you can see on the screen, this includes dating, mobile apps, e-commerce, financial services, and many more. Advertisers can also choose from the top 4 highest converting ad formats: pop-under, in-page push, video vast, and display banners, all designed to deliver high-quality traffic and strong performance for your campaigns. HilltopAds makes it easy to track your campaigns using the postback S2S conversion tracking method, so you always know what's working. To start advertising, click the link in the description, register your account, and follow the simple steps to get your HilltopAds account set up. To get started, fill out the registration form as an advertiser. Be sure to select your preferred messenger type, so HilltopAds knows the best way to communicate with you. Take your time to complete all the required fields. Providing accurate information ensures your account is set up correctly, allowing you to start advertising quickly and without any delays. On this page, select your preferred language to watch tutorials and receive email updates. HilltopAds offers step-by-step guides for beginners, helping you confidently set up campaigns, choose ad formats, target the right audience, and track results for better performance. Since we've just completed registering our account, the next important step is to open the email address we used during the sign-up process. Click the verification link provided to confirm your email and complete the registration process. Now that our advertising account is fully registered, let's take a closer look at the dashboard and get familiar with the features and menus available, so we know exactly where to find everything we need to manage our campaigns effectively. Under the Add Funds tab, you can easily manage your payments, add funds to your account, and monitor your balance history. This section gives you a clear overview of all transactions, so you can track your spending, see which campaigns have been charged, and ensure your account is always funded and ready to run ads effectively. The Statistics tab lets you track your campaigns in detail. You can filter the data by date, ad type, country, or device to see how each campaign is performing. This makes it easy to spot trends, evaluate what's working, and adjust your campaigns for better results. In the Trackers tab, you can set up server-to-server tracking to monitor your conversions directly in the Statistics dashboard. This step is required if you're running campaigns with the CPA goal pricing model. Simply copy the tracking link provided and follow the setup instructions. In the Estimation Tools tab, you can get a detailed overview of your campaigns before you even launch them. Here, you can analyze your campaign performance based on ad format, traffic channels, browsers, target geolocations, and estimated results. This tool helps you understand which combinations are likely to perform best, allowing you to plan your budget more effectively and make data-driven decisions for maximum ROI. This is also your dedicated advertiser manager. You can reach out to them anytime for support, guidance, or any questions about your campaigns. In the My Account tab, you have full control over your account settings. Here, you can update your profile information, such as your name and contact details, manage your invoice information to ensure all billing details are correct, change your password for added security, and configure your API settings if you want to integrate HilltopAds with external tools. This section makes it easy to keep your account up to date and ensures you have everything set up correctly for smooth campaign management. Another great feature of HilltopAds is its referral program. You can invite both advertisers and publishers to the platform using your referral link or a banner. When they sign up and start running campaigns or publishing traffic, you'll earn rewards. It's an easy way to make extra income and take advantage of the platform's growth, even if you're not actively managing campaigns yourself. Now that you know your way around the HilltopAds dashboard and its key features, in the next video, we'll show you how to set up your first campaign, choose your ad formats, and target the right geolocations to reach your ideal audience. For more advertising tutorials, check out the official HilltopAds YouTube channel for guides, tips, and strategies to improve your campaigns. If you want to watch more videos in my advertising and publisher series, be sure to stay tuned to this channel and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.